Hello everyone, this is the 17th video of Sounds British. Today we are going to work on the difference between two sounds, o, and o, and this is o. Here we have some examples. Is your name Don? Is your name Dawn? Dawn, dawn. And this cod was in the sea. This cord was in the sea. He was shot. He was short. It's a small pot. It's a small port. Pot, port. Look for the fox. Look for the fox. I don't like these pots. I don't like these pots. Okay, so there's a big difference between spot and sport. Okay, if you like this video, like and share. See ya.